Are you kidding me? That's annoying. But I'm not flapping about losing all of my photos, as I've already backed them up with OneDrive. Titles! My entire life feels like it's on a mobile phone right now, especially all of the photos of holidays, family, and other special moments that I want to ensure that don't disappear if my phone is lost, stolen, or breaks. So let's set up automatic photo backup on your phone with the OneDrive app. In the OneDrive app, tap your lovely account image at the top of the app right here. Then just tap Turn On below the Camera Backup is Off text. Then tap Confirm and you're done. A few top tips though to make it even better. To help save your phone battery, make sure you select the Backup Only when charging checkbox in the settings. And also, if you save your pictures in additional folders on your phone, for example on a third-party app somewhere, make sure to include them by tapping Settings in the OneDrive app and then hit Camera Backup. Then tap Backup Device Folders and scroll through the list and then choose which folders you want to be backed up. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Automatically backing up my pictures from my phone means not only do I have peace of mind that my memories are safe, but actually I can also access them from wherever I might need them, like on my laptop.